What's happening, folks? Welcome to the channel. I'm Andy, the Electric Geek, and in for an unbox today we have Top Gun Maverick on 4K Blu-ray. This is the Hmv variant, the Hmv exclusive steelbook that they did. I think it was about £5 more expensive than Zavvi's one at $34.99, and it comes with its own design and I think a lenticular as well, which wasn't actually mentioned on the website. However, we'll get the cellophane off it and we'll have a good look at what it includes, what the disc art's like, and I'll give you my thoughts on it. Got to be careful when you're doing these not to damage the steelbook itself. So as you can see, I have the cellophane off now and you can see the lenticular action going on there. It's quite subtle, but it's still nice. So it is actually a magnet. If you can see, it just peels off like so. And then underneath you have a fully glossed steelbook. You can see just as I shine off the light that it's fully glossed. No embossing or debossing on it for the title or anything, but it's really nice. I actually was a bit worried. I bought this kind of accidentally, if you like, or as a second option, because I actually preferred the Zavvi artwork, but it sold out faster than I thought before I could order it. So I nipped over to Hmv and I ordered this one, and it was £5 more and I wasn't actually thrilled with the design, but now I have it in hand, I'm pretty pleased with it, and I think the lenticular magnet on top is worth that kind of £5 extra premium, because it is an excellent film, really enjoyed it. I cannot wait to get it in my player. I've no doubt it's going to be my demo disc of 2022, and there will be a review to follow. So if you're hitting the channel up for the first time, then please subscribe and you'll catch that review later in the week. So opening up, it's a 2-disc edition, and we've got Maverick on the newest version of the Kawasaki that he rode in the original movie. Disc art's pretty plain, pretty common these days. Unless you go ultra premium, there's nothing usually that exciting about the disc art. But that is the 4K disc. As you can see, it says on it Dolby Atmos and Dolby Vision, so fully spec'd, and it has some special features on it as well. I'm not sure if it has all the special features on it, but it's always nice to get some included on the 4K disc, because it usually means they're in 4K. And then secondly, you obviously have the Blu-ray, which will no doubt be loaded with the over 80 minutes of special features. Really looking forward to checking out the special features. I always think the special features in Tom Cruise movies are excellent, really interesting. He usually does, I don't know if he does the commentary in this one, but he normally does commentaries, and he gets pretty hands-on with the special features and the interviews and whatnot. Can't wait to see how they went about filming all the aerial stuff in this. But yeah, that's the second disc there. And then inside it's a sunset, Maverick on the bike, and then one of the fighter planes in the background. Really nice wraparound design, I like that. It's a bit different to the Zavvi one, which seems to be what most people have gone for, looking at Instagram and whatnot. So a little bit different. That's a little close up of the spine. And yeah, all in all, I think that's excellent. Really pleased with it. The lenticular was a bit of a Brucey bonus. I've noticed there's a Walmart version of it in the US, which has the Zavvi design, so the more kind of red colour timing, and it has this as well. So you're going to get the best of both, but for some reason, I've seen people complaining that the magnet isn't actually as big as the steelbook, and it just looks naff because you can see some of the red behind it. So I was worried that's what the Hmv one was going to be, but we've got the design on the steelbook as well, so I think we've got the better product, certainly compared to that Walmart one. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Did you pick up Maverick on 4K? Did you get a steelbook? And what do you think of this Hmv exclusive? Do you think it's worth the extra £5? But I've been Andy, the Electric Geek. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Remember, if you've enjoyed it, then consider giving it a little like and subscribe so you don't miss the 4K review. If you can't wait though until the 4K review, then you can of course jump into some of my other content that should be coming up on the screen round about here. Watch my latest 4K reviews or my 4K unboxings. Alright, till next time, take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.